This is Larry Bodine, Editor-in-Chief of Lawyers.com, reporting from the American Bar Association annual meeting in Chicago. Today we're talking with employee benefits attorney Tom Moukawsher, who practices in employee benefits law and in fact is co-chair of the ABA's Employee Benefits Committee. Tom, I understand that under recent federal rulings, retirees are now able to claim or recover money damages when their employer either lies to them or cheats them out of their benefits.
As for years, Supreme Court decisions have been interpreted the other way, and people found themselves suffering wrongs, pension denials, etc., without remedies. And in this past year, in a case I was co-counseled on, Amara versus Cigna, the court held that there were remedies to reform plan terms when people had been misled about what they're owed, and also to surcharge fiduciaries who cheat people out of their benefits.
Tell me how the surcharge works. Isn't that a form of punishing an employer with money damages?
Yeah, you think of the employer in these situations when they're running plans like a trustee. They owe their primary duties actually to employees, not to their own businesses. And the courts have held them to the standards of a person running a trust, which means that they've got to put the interest of the employees first, and when they don't, the courts can order them to suffer a financial penalty.
Now suppose a retiree has been basically cheated out of their retirement benefits. Can a judge go in and issue an order reforming the plan?
Right. If they've been promised something that the company turns around later and says, well, the plan says something otherwise, a court can take the promise that was made to them and make the plan conform to it. It can be reformed to live up to the promise.
Now, if you're talking to a retiree, what would you advise them if they find themselves in a situation where they've been cheated out of their benefits or their employer lied to them? What should they do?
They should find an ERISA lawyer, E-R-I-S-A, an ERISA lawyer. Usually what happens is people find a local lawyer and that lawyer refers them to someone who can help them who is an ERISA lawyer.
Thank you very much. This is Larry Bodine, Editor-in-Chief of Lawyers.com, reporting from Chicago.